Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab S9 FE and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section scroll down to the very bottom in order to find general management. Now let's tap on language, and as you can see, this is the list of currently applied languages, and I would say it is more like a shortcut of the really long list of available languages. So all we have to do right now is to tap on add a language to basically open this long list. Here we've got the languages which are suggested by Samsung. So if for some reason you cannot find your language here, no worries. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on all languages. And thanks to this, your device will show you all languages from which you can pick. So it's up to you, of course. Let me pick something here, maybe. Let me pick Spanish. So after finding, just tap on the language and pick the region. Your device after that will show you whether you want to set the new language as a default one. Of course, if you want to, you can keep current, so it will stay, in my case, on English. However, I highly recommend to simply set as default, as that's why we are recording this video. So here we've got the new language applied. It is at the very top of the list, and from now on the whole system is displayed in the chosen language. If you've got the languages right here in this kind of shortcut list, you can simply maneuver between them just by tapping on them. So I can tap on English and basically tap on apply. And as you can see, I can easily switch through between the languages. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit and mark the language you want to remove and tap on remove. On format, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.